So today I'm in my kitchen testing out some recipes to share with you lovely people out there. I am going to share a recipe with you for some creamy hot cocoa. It is out of this world phenomenal. I know I've been promising you guys that I was going to share this recipe with you. I wanted to do it before Christmas, but that didn't happen. I was like super busy, and you know, time just gets away from you. You get old, time gets away from you. And I even bought this pretty little mug at the dollar store. I just thought it was just perfect for this recipe. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And it really is. I mean, it really is. But Christmas is over, and it's okay because winter is still here. It's cold here today. It's supposed to get up to about 55, 60 degrees on Saturday. So not sure what's going on with that, but that's all right. I'll take it. I like warm weather. I like cold weather, but I like it around Christmas time. After Christmas, I don't know about you, but for me, I just wish the day after Christmas that the sun would come out, the flowers would bloom all pretty, and then it would be summer again, but it don't happen that way. But it is January here, so we're going to have lots of cold months ahead of us, and we haven't, where I live in Ohio, we haven't gotten any major snowstorms yet, so I'm sure we'll be getting one before the winter is over, or a couple. And this cocoa recipe is going to be perfect for when you're just sitting there all comfy, cozied up on your couch, just watching the snow fall. So I want to share this with you. So let's get to it. Now this recipe calls, we'll make about, I don't know, 4 cups, depending on how big your cup is. This is a pretty big cup, so this might make, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 of those, whatever. We'll see. But it is so easy to make, and like, I don't normally measure these ingredients out, but I'm going to today for you all. Okay, in here I've got about a half a cup of cocoa. You know, it's the cocoa, the unsweetened cocoa. And to that we're going to add about 3/4 cup of sugar. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of sugar, but it's really not, guys. Just think of what you're getting in the little packs when you buy them. They're loaded with sugar. I'm just going to stir that together and mix that around. I got everything crammed right in one spot here. Then we're going to add just enough hot water to get that all mixed up. And that's probably good right there. You want to make sure that it's mixed really well. You don't want no lumps in it. Look, I got a lump right there on the top of my spoon. There we go. We got that combined. I hope my pan here is big enough. My little pot. If not, we might have to start all over. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way. We're going to turn this on low, medium low, because you don't want it to scorch. And we're just going to pour that right in the pan. I have a feeling, something tells me that this is not going to be big enough. And then we're just going to pour our milk in there. You can use whatever kind of milk you want. Vitamin D. Woo! Almost not enough room. And then we have to add the magical ingredient in there to make it absolutely amazing. So I don't know if we're going to have room or not. We're going to try. We're just going to give that a stir. Look at that. You know what? I like my cocoa like I got a couple little lumps in there. That's all right. That's all right. I like my cocoa, you know, nice and chocolatey. I don't play. If I'm going to drink hot cocoa, I want it to be nice and cocoa-y. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to stir that. This is heavy whipping cream. This makes this absolutely phenomenal. I'm telling you. We're going to add this in there. You're going to add, well, as much as you can with this. That's probably about another cup. Just stir that around. Look at my little tiny whisk. I should use, I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm using a tiny pan and a tiny whisk. I know what's going on. And guys, make sure that you start this out on low. Actually, you want to heat it on low because, you know, you don't want to scorch it. Now that's going to take just a few minutes to heat up. It's not going to take long. If you wanted to make this in like your crock pot for, you know, the holiday season, which just passed us, you could do that. Or, you know, it don't even have to be holidays to drink hot chocolate. You know, am I right? What are y'all thinking? Or even if you have one of those smaller crocks that you could make it in. I mean, this is phenomenal. What I would do is just, you know, add all the ingredients in there after you, just like you would here. It's very simple. Just make sure that you melt your cocoa and your sugar together, and make sure there's no lumps, unlike I did. And put it in your crock pot. You know, that's perfect. You could sip on it all day. Get you some of that chocolate Kahlua or whatever that is. I'm not promoting drinking here, but I'm not against putting a little something in it if you know, if you feel that you need it for the day. Sometimes we need a little bit of extra yumminess in it. I mean, you wouldn't do that for the kids. That would be specifically for adults, but I know you guys already know that. I have been slurping it up with my spoon, my little wooden spoon. And then you just get a ladle. Look at that. My ladle is almost too big for my pot as well. And you just ladle it out into your cup. Of course, it's not that hard if you use a bigger pot, but I didn't. Y'all know this is gonna be good if I'm already doing my moaning. That's good. So we're gonna add some marshmallows to it, of course. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I got chocolate everywhere. Add 2 or 3. Or a handful, like I like to do. Look at that. Look at that nice big cup of hot cocoa. You gotta blow it, it's hot. When your lips hit that little marshmallow there, something just very satisfying when your lips hit that marshmallow when you're taking a nice sip of it. Oh, it's hot and it's out of this world delicious. You guys really need to try this soon. That is so good. Oh my gosh, it's heavenly in your mouth. It's nice. It's nice and really cocoa-y, really chocolatey, and it is phenomenal. That heavy whipping cream absolutely makes it out of this world. If you got little kids at home, give this a try. If you don't have little kids at home, give this a try. And that marshmallow's melting. You know I love you guys so very much, and I appreciate you watching. And that just melts in your mouth. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you have subscribed if you haven't already. And make sure that you're hitting that notification bell. It's somewhere here, there. I don't know where it's at, but it's somewhere. So you are getting notified when I put out another video, because that is key to seeing these things as quickly as possible. So I don't even know what else to say. I love you. I love you. I love you with my heart and soul. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you on the next whatever it is. Cheers.